What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. One thing I've always wondered is, will axle sliders help save your bike? So today I'm putting axle sliders on my Honda Grom. It's a little dark in here. I'm in my grandfather's basement. He told me I could come and tie it up on that beam up there. I was like, how am I getting a rope up there to tie it off? He's like, oh, you just ladder. Of course he gave me the ladder that he fell off of a couple years ago. This is the most, it's on wheels. I mean, not too sure about that, but yeah, I'm gonna climb up there, tie the rope up so I can get the wheel off the ground and install the axle sliders. These are the Z&Z Customs. They're powder coated white. They look pretty good. We're gonna install them on the front and rear today. If you did not see my loops video from a couple weeks back, that's why I'm doing this. I ordered some more stump parts too. They're coming in, so stay tuned for those. So all you're gonna do is take the axle out, pop this little black cap off, put this through on the axle, then put the axle back in the same way it is, put this on, and then the nut. And that's pretty much it. Pretty easy. Shouldn't have any problems at all. So let's get started. So what I'm gonna do is take my old axle bolt, push it in, and take that one out at the same time, so nothing gets, out of place. It just makes it easier. You don't have to do it this way.
Once again.
Just like that, the front is done. Looks pretty good actually. I like that. Now let's move back to the rear.
Once again.
Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I am very, very happy with these. I did not think I was gonna like the look or like them at all, actually. I was getting them just for protection, but they feel really, really good. They look really good. So I'm very happy with them. I'm about to take on a little ride to see how it feels. If something goes wrong or I don't like something, I'll put that in the video. If not, I'm happy with it. But yeah, you might want to pick some of these up for your Grom. For protection, for looks, it doesn't really matter, whatever you're going for. So the most important part, let's see if it protects the bike. I'm not gonna lie, I am doing it in the grass because I don't want to scratch them up. Let's see. And yeah, the pegs are on the ground, the handlebars hit, the plastics do not hit the ground at all. So yeah, guys, it will protect the bike. These did hit the ground with the handlebars and with the pegs. So after I get something in this area right here, we should be all good. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe for future videos. Next video is gonna be something right in here. Stay tuned for that, and I'll see you then. Peace.